How can I fix the issue of Tubi not working on my TV?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem some of you might have faced, Tubi not working on your TV. We'll guide you step by step through potential fixes. So, let's get started.
Is it an internet issue?
The first thing you need to check is your internet connection, as streaming services require a stable and strong internet connection. 1. First, check if other devices connected to the same network are having internet issues. If they are, try restarting your router and see if that fixes the problem. 2. If your internet is working fine on other devices, check the Wi-Fi connection on your TV. If it's weak or not connected, try to reconnect it or improve its signal strength.
Is the Tubi app up to date?
Outdated apps can often cause problems. Here's how you can ensure your Tubi app is up to date. 1. Depending on your TV model and operating system, navigate to the App Store or the App section. 2. Look for Tubi and check if there's an update available. If there is, update the app and try running it again.
Do you need to clear the cache?
Sometimes, the app's cache might need clearing. Here's how. 1. Go to the settings on your TV. 2. Find the Applications or Apps section. 3. Look for Tubi and go into its settings. 4. Look for an option to clear cache or clear data, and select it. Please note, this might log you out of the app, and you would have to log back in again.
Is a system update required?
In some cases, your TV's operating system might need an update. 1. Go to your TV settings. 2. Look for the System Update or Software Update section. 3. If there's an update available, install it, as this could potentially fix any issues with the Tubi app.
Should you reinstall the Tubi app?
If none of the above works, as a last resort, you could try uninstalling and reinstalling the Tubi app. 1. To uninstall, go to the Applications or Apps section in your TV settings. 2. Find Tubi, select it, and choose the Uninstall or Remove option. 3. Once uninstalled, go back to your TV's App Store and reinstall Tubi. Those were some methods you can try if Tubi isn't working on your TV. Remember, sometimes the issue might be from Tubi's end, so if all else fails, you might have to wait for them to fix it. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.